this the ammo you brought, or?
Yes.
Is this sub, or?
Yes.
Ready?
Wait.
Wait.
I'm gonna...
It's so much bloom in this thing. Yeah, that was a hit. I gotta be hitting the rock. That's fun, but that's a waste of ammo.
Yeah.
Yeah, shooting in the sun's pretty tough. Let's go for this one again. Yeah, because these are the 220s. Around the hole.
Hang on.
Video. Yeah, it's still about the same. I think I'm still hearing a sonic crack.
Could be.
So it's minor, but yeah. Those are the anti-walk trigger pins. It's to keep it from walking out when you're shooting a lot of full auto.
Is it on full auto?
It's on safe right now. It does have a full auto setting though. That's fire.
Wow. This, leaving these guys? No.
I don't think so.
Okay. Are we ready?
We're ready.
I'm scared. Are you on?
Why? It's suppressed.
Yeah. Let me see. Is that shiny thing? Yeah.
Which one?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh, that shiny thing. A little bit low. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
No, not. You're welcome to keep that one if you like.
Yeah. That's my collection.
Yeah.
I got quite a fucking collection going.
Oh, pretty close.
Hang him up. Get that
A little high?
Kentucky windage going.
A little high? A little low? Almost. 6 inches low. 3 inches high? 6 inches low?
3 inches will work. Right.
I got a full mag for him too. Or a 10-round mag anyway.
I like watching. I don't need to shoot it.
Sure, good.
No, nothing. That's an amazingly quiet weapon.
Yeah.
That is just something else.
And that's not even, really a protection. We run the brass, all the brass rounds in it. They're even quieter.
That is a nice rig.
We got them down to 108 decibels. There you go. You know,
That made my fucking day.
Yeah? You want to try it on full?
Yeah.
Well, he's going to shoot it, so. Okay. Have you ever shot a full auto before?
No.
Okay. Pretty much the one thing a lot of people do when they're firing full auto is they'll take and they get a little bit scared and they just hold the trigger down and it keeps climbing.
Yeah.
As soon as you get scared, like just try to feather the trigger,
Just
feel
a
it,
couple of bursts.
feel it, and let it go. Feel it and let it go. So that's what you want to do. It's on safety right now to click it to full, all the way over.
All the way over.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
No
That's
shit.
clever, isn't it?
Wow.
So, and I'll kind of be on your 6 here, and if you start getting into trouble, I will reach in and grab.
Where am I hit? I thought I way up there.
Yeah.
3-round burst, buddy. 3-round burst.
It climbs quick.
Trigger control.
There you go.
Oh, that's me.
What do you think of that? That's
That
pretty
is
neat,
fucking cool.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't go nuts.
Yeah.
huh?
Fuck.
Yeah.
Now that made my month.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go.
I'm glad I could be a part of it.
Glad you get.
Yeah.
I hope I got multiples of brass flying out of that thing.
I probably got it on mine, so I'll edit it up, and if you want, shoot me an email, and I'll send you a link, so that way you can show your friends or whatever on YouTube.
Fuck, man, that's wow. Wow.
You gotta think that's 220 grains going down range.
Yeah, that's like
That
shooting
hits something.
45 full auto.
That is a 220 grain bullet.
Mm-hmm.
That's a heavy bullet, buddy.
That's the idea, because it's not going supersonic. These ones, it sounds like it's going a little bit supersonic, but
It's got a real weird sound the minute it leaves. Like it's wow. That is just holy shit.
Mm-hmm.
That's some shaking. That was fucking cool. That was.
Nailed it. Nailed it.
The thing that seems kind of interesting about this one is that you can skip that round into the target. You can hit, so like if somebody's on the other side of a car, you can skip it off the ground underneath the car right into them.
Mike always said shoot low's a good deal because
A ricochet miss counts in combat.
Yep.
I got all these little war stories about learning, how I learned. No one ever taught me anything.
that,
Like that mag most of all.
Yeah.
that is something else.
I shot at a